Hello, I am PAVI. My topic is smart dustbin. Everything is modernizing in these days. Likely, smart dustbin will help to maintaining the environment clean. It works on sensor-based technology, so it would be easy to use for any age group and it's cost effective. Its mechanism to open the lid automatically by the help of sensor. Smart dustbin's actual setup is by using sensor and also motor is connected to it. In order to open the lid, I have fixed servo motor and a ballpoint pens refilled to the dustbin lid by help of glue. Next, ultrasonic sensor is placed in the front of dustbin. Finally, by giving connections to all this finish up the build process of the smart dustbin. How it works? When someone comes near this bin to throw some garbage, it automatically opens its lid by the help of sensor. So the waste is not thrown here and there and keeps our environment clean. It's a prototype I have been drawn. This project is done in simple way. That's why it may get in affordable price for the people. Here we are going to make an evolution change towards cleanliness. For social, it will help toward the health and hygiene. For business, we try to make in affordable price. Thank you.